First of all, thank you very much for giving me a chance to demonstrate listening and speaking class. Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the vocabularies and the passage about how to get prepared for an earthquake. Be prepared. Have you ever experienced an earthquake? If yes, how was it? Can you tell me? Teacher, it was very scary because the clocks on the wall fell down and the chairs had shaken for a few seconds. Wow, you must be very scary. Then you know what do you have to do when it happened? Not really, teacher. Then let's talk about it after we study about the earthquake. Okay, teacher. Before we go over the passage, let's go over the main word. Number 1, earthquake. A sudden shaking of the earth's surface. Number 2, survival kit. A box with things that you need to stay alive. Number 3, aftershock. A small earthquake which occurs after a large one. Number 4, hold on. To hold something firmly with your hands or arms. Number 5, stay away. Not to go near or to avoid. Number 6, take cover. To hide or to get under a cover. Okay, then let's move on to the text. First, listen to the audio file and we will talk about it each passage.
Page 8.
Be prepared. Rumble. The ground suddenly starts shaking. Everything is moving back and forth. It is an earthquake. Earthquakes hit without warning. If a powerful earthquake strikes your area, what should you do? The first step is simple. Drop, cover, and hold on. If you are indoors, drop to the ground and take cover under a strong table or desk. Hold on to it until the shaking stops. If there is no table or desk, cover your head and stay away from windows or anything that can fall. Never use an elevator during an earthquake. Once the shaking stops, make sure everyone is okay. Then, check your house to see if anything has suffered damage. Make sure your home has no gas or water leaks. And be prepared for possible shaking after the main quake. These shakes are called aftershocks. If you are outside, stay there until the shaking stops. Move away from trees, power lines, signs, and buildings. Cover your head and stay in an open area until there is no more shaking. These are great ways to stay safe during an earthquake. But if you live in a place that frequently gets earthquakes, you had better prepare a survival kit. It should contain a first aid kit, bottled water, canned food, a radio, a flashlight, sleeping bags, and some cash.
Okay, then let's move on to the text. First, listen to the, okay, now if listen to the audio file, and now we will talk about each passage. What does the first paragraph talk about? First paragraph says how the earthquake happens. It happens without warning, right? Number one. Number two, second paragraph. How to be prepared in an earthquake. Drop, cover, and hold on. And now, the third paragraph. What does the third paragraph say? Check your surroundings when you're indoors and be prepared for the aftershock. Okay, now, the first paragraph says, if you are outside, stay there until the shaking stops. Move away from trees, power lines, buildings, and cover your head and stay in an open area. Okay, now, fifth. What does the fifth paragraph say? What to prepare if you live in a place that frequently gets an earthquake. Things you need to prepare are like survival kit, first aid kit, bottled water, a radio, flashlight, and some cash. Okay. Now, time to go over the comprehension checkup. Number one, what is the passage mainly about? Yes, sir? Would you like to try? Yes, teacher. How to stay safe during an earthquake. Okay, number two. Yunso, would you like to try? What should you do when an earthquake happens? Drop, cover, and hold on. Very good. Jaehyuk, would you like to try? No, teacher. Let Junshik do it first. Funny. Maybe you're nervous, right? Or shy? Okay, then Junshik, are you ready? Yes, teacher. What you should not do during an earthquake? We shouldn't use an elevator, but just use the stairs. Very good. Okay, now, Soyun, okay. Brian, would you like to try? Yes, teacher. Okay, what should you prepare if you live in an area that frequently gets an earthquake? Survival kit, first aid kit, bottled water, a radio, flashlight, and some cash. Excellent. Okay, now everybody pack it up. Now time to say goodbye. Thank you, teacher. Goodbye, everyone.